In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board button automations in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and automate some of your daily tasks, Trello's board button automation is a fantastic feature to explore. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Trello board. Open your browser, head over to Trello and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the specific board where you want to set up the automation. When you have your board open, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a set of 3 dots. Click on them. This will open a drop-down menu offering several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Automation. This takes you to the tools you'll use to create your board button automations. Once you're in the Automation section, click on Rules. Here is where you can start building the sequences that will automate tasks on your board. Now, you'll want to hit Create Automation to get started. This will guide you to the page where you can define what your automation will do. Next, click on plus Add Trigger. Triggers are like the starting whistle for your automation, telling it when to run. For this example, we'll select Dates. This trigger is particularly useful if you want certain actions to take place on or around specific dates. With dates selected, click on the drop-down menu that appears. It's a versatile tool allowing you to choose different criteria for your automation. Here you'll select by anyone. This means your automation will act when any user interacts with the board, broadening the scope of the trigger's response. Now that your trigger is set, you'll add it by clicking the plus button to confirm your selection. With that done, it's time to move on to the action itself. Select Move from the options. This action allows you to automatically move cards between lists within the board based on the trigger you've set. Again, click on the drop down to fine-tune what happens next. From the drop down, you'll need to choose the list where you want the cards to move. Select the list name that suits your process, which will ensure that the cards land exactly where they need to be when the trigger is hit. After setting up the move action, click on the plus button again to confirm everything. Finally, make sure all your settings are as you want them and hit save. This final step is crucial. It activates your new automation and sets it into motion. And just like that, you've set up your first board button automation in Trello. This process can save you a lot of time and help keep your tasks organized effortlessly. Remember, you can always revisit and adjust these settings if your needs change. Feel free to explore more automation options to further enhance your productivity. Happy automating!